Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix iCloud email not receiving emails. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video. Now in order to fix this issue, what you need to do is head over to your settings app, tap on it, and now here all you gotta do is tap on Apple ID name, and from there you'll see an option that says iCloud, right? Simply tap on iCloud, and then here you'll see option that says iCloud mail, right? Now simply tap on that, and here all you gotta do is check to see if this option that says use on this phone is turned on or not, right? Now simply all you gotta do is just do this, toggle this on, and once you do that, all you gotta do is restart your phone once again and then try again, and your issue should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.